Let me tell you why I love this quilt from Sophia-Art. So I like the bright red colors, as you can see here. So mine is a king size, is pretty big, and it just looks so beautiful on top of the bed. This is the stitching part and the design part of it. In the back is just like a plain red with the stitching. I like the quality. So I want to mention, don't put bleach on it. Don't put it in the regular washer. You need to dry clean it. And this is to decorate the bed. You can also put it um, on top of the blanket. I like the elegance that it has. Also, I love the material. It's made of cotton. So anytime that I put it on, it won't itch or give me a lot of heat. So this is just perfect for a gift for your house if you want to give it some decoration to your room. It's Indian, and I just love the pattern and the stitching, the quality. So it's great. I hope if you're looking for an Indian quilt, then this is a very good option for you to check out. I hope you enjoyed my review and thank you for watching.